Who stayed away?
Badness sweet.
Yeah. Me have one I lose couple years back.
That forget you, the badness sweet. Yeah. So I can't sit down here and tell a youth, say, if you leave badness, because badness sweet.
Yeah.
What I can tell a youth is that you have to pre-badness and so badness I go.
Yeah.
You have to have that. Because how me there today, I pre-badness. Ever pre-badness. How me a pre-badness now?
Yeah.
I watch the whole of my friend them. I watch Danny, I watch Riba, I watch Jamites, I watch Starkey, I watch Massop, I watch Bayakar, I watch Jim Brown, I watch the whole of them. And see how them lose them life.
Yeah.
Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. I'm going to say, it's not my voice.
Yeah.
Done. Proofs are my voice.
Alright, we could get back. We can drift off.
No, but sometimes we have to drift off though.
Yeah, so as a man who been there and done that, where in some man might have run up them out, but them still have some respect for you in terms of, cause there is a kind of thing with the bad man them where they respect bad man. Quicker listen to you than they would have listen to me. Cause what me know, I can't do that.
Yeah.
You understand? Regardless of what me know, I'm not interested. But them can relate.
Yeah.
Yes. To you because them I live the kind of life where you did live, and to some extent have a understanding of which them feel say I don't. You understand? So why you could have offered them now if you feel like say, well then get them to act more sensible, because I now go tell a man say him not to live that way there and him not to live that way there. I just say him not to dash for him life, and that I say no. And what me see them a do, and that me see them a do, me see them a dash for their life.
Alright. You see badness?
Yeah.
Badness sweet.
I know it is for them because I have a holy friend.
It's sweet.
Who stayed away there?
Badness sweet.
Yeah. Me have one I lose couple years back.
That forget you, the badness sweet. Yeah. So I can't sit down here and tell a youth, say, if you leave badness, because badness sweet.
Yeah.
What I can tell a youth is that you have to pre-badness and so badness I go.
Yeah.
You have to have that. Because how me there today, I pre-badness. Ever pre-badness. How me a pre-badness now?
Yeah.
I watch the whole of my friend them. I watch Danny, I watch Riba, I watch Jamites, I watch Starkey, I watch Massop, I watch Bayakar, I watch Jim Brown, I watch the whole of them. And see how them lose them life.
Yeah.
And there is something about badness where you have to learn. You see, badness is a part and parcel of society. See?
Yeah.
So now, you have to have limit to your badness.
Show them that. Because you not show me, but show them that.
No, you have to have limit.
The hand movement, man. Show them it, man.
Over here?
No, man, this man.
Yeah, you have to have limit.
Show them it.
You have to have limit to your badness.
Yeah.
The limit I'm talking about now. In the Badlands, I watch the whole of the man them. I watch Fisherman, I watch Batman, which is Delroy Wilson brother, little brother.
Yeah.
I watch Farmer Boy. I watch Caney Boy.
Yeah.
I watch Phantom, I watch Gumshan, I watch Janoch, Major Jackson. I watch all these bad men before me. Yeah? And I see how them dead. How them dead. You reach a point of badness when you figure say you're the baddest man of the world, so nothing no matter. And that's a big mistake.
Yeah.
You can't better than the country, you can't better than the law. And that's what me know will guide me. Me know say I can't bad but so much.
Yeah.
So when I watch now, to keep it level, 1978 in a peace treaty. Where the world don't know, me was one of the shooter. Yeah? In that peace treaty. The Monday when peace make, me the Steppa borderline, me and my brethren, and we on the PMP side, and me and a youth named Chinky and Powder Man versus Winnipop, Waxy, and Baskin. And we did in the Tamarind, the Knockings. That day when the peace make, Massop and Bucky Marshall come. And there was a speech that make that day. That speech is what killed Massop. I'm going to tell you the speech. Massop look upon me and say, him no know what Bucky has said. But him a tell we, say, and him lick him chest, him say, when I speak, I speak for all labor right. I speak for the labor right in Westmoreland to here in Kingston. See what that speech of the man make? The man declares a theme power bigger than Siago. So when they say peace, a peace. Bucky could make a speech there. You understand? Me interpret that speech there as, what? So Siago no mean nothing then? And I say I got called West Kingston. And that's how they knock him out. They knock him out through that. And me watch General Starkey, Danny, me watch all of my friend them. Johnny Black. Johnny Black tell me say all the guns is his. All the girls is his. Every money is his. The biggest money is his. That's what him tell me. Yeah? So, badness is that thing. When me touch Jamaica from foreign, I was the man. Because there was a group of youth named Fatherless Group. When I take a talk from Dodos, now I take a talk from Zeeks, now I take a talk from nobody. And them come to take talk from me. Me run left them. Now me run left them. One, me never have no money. Me never have no money. To maintain them.
You can't feed them.
Me never have no money to maintain them. The mindset to come to Jamaica with it. But couldn't deal with Jamaica badness because America already abused me 15 years in the prison. So my mindset is to come and take over the whole Jamaica now in terms of pushing out America out of Jamaica. That was my mindset. So I tell myself, say, you know something? If me, because my veranda full, and the whole every done, skate down every done, Willie I got every done. No say, me not the place. And them know say all the uncontrollable youths them, they on my veranda. But me not have no money. And me not go beg no damn no money. And me not go align myself with no done because at them will kill me.
Yeah.
So I decide, say, I'm going to take care of myself.
Yeah.
When I go to Africa. When they done them here, say I go to Africa, them laugh.
Yeah.
I'm saying, that boy, they come lick him chip. He made lick.
Yeah.
See? But me chip out. Yeah. Today, when I look back, all the dance them gone.
Yes.
See? So I know I do the right thing. What me can tell you them say is in the Badlands, you cannot bother the law.
Yeah.
And you cannot ungovern. Because the country can run without law.
Yeah, without government, yeah.
See? So, what make me exist is that me keep myself within the law.
Yeah.
Me the law-abiding citizen.
Yeah.
Even though I will break the law around the corner.
Yeah.
Off the books.
Yes.
But I'm a law-abiding citizen still.
Yeah, you're not front up.
No. So, there's a thin line.
Well, this is the hype for me that I talk about. Like you didn't mention money, that's why I mentioned the hype. Because for some reason, the youth them I do some crime and them I take themselves I do the crime, them I kill them one another unnecessarily. And you want to wonder, what is it them want? Do they want, is it money them really want to make? Or them just want to hurt somebody? Or
Them just want to say they are the man.
yeah.
And it's that power. There's a power to say you are the man.
And you can just disperse with a man like
yes.
as you feel like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And not only that, you have people at your command.
Yeah.
See? So that kind of power.
Yeah, but every one of them feel. You see, what you just described a while ago, you described that you were an observant person. That you did see that person doing something wrong, and you were doing something wrong. But you did have to modify your step because you don't want to end up like that person.
I watch every man with dead.
Yeah.
I watch every, listen, I tell you.
No, it's
every man
quite
dead.
clear.
Yeah.
Even the
I watch all them dead.
Even the man at prison where you say couldn't identify him name back in a them.
Yeah.
Would I know say, taking a video of you murdering a man is a blood clot, idiot incidents.
Yeah.
But these youths are doing it.
Yeah. Look, these youth will kill a man in private.
Yeah.
But then come out and DJ about it vividly.
Yeah, they're not only for them not end up at prison.
Yeah, they will do that.
The biggest song in Jamaica ever, you know, is one called Driver, you know.
Yeah.
And it's a part of the reason why I said them go to prison.
Yeah.
You understand?
And to me, when him the driver, somebody was supposed to hold him and lick him by the mouth.
Well, I think them did warn him about it, you know.
No one. You see, that's the difference between my time.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. And now, no DJ can talk about me and my team activity. All now.
Yeah.
Yeah? In my time, there was a DJ on a sound name. Let me tell you about this now. Yeah. There's a DJ on a sound named Jamaics.
Yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Emperor Fate.
Oh, I know Emperor. Him just drop out with them.
But listen. Yeah?
Yeah, most people don't know that song.
But I tell you, Emperor Fate have a DJ named Jamaics.
Yeah.
Jamaics' name is Jamaics.
Yeah.
That's his name.
Yeah.
Jamaics make a song one time say, Jamaics from Boa, me hand them a flower, can't need flower. My brethren,
Yeah.
1 dread, 2 dread Jamaics.
Yeah.
When we hear that,
Yeah.
we pull up Jamaics.
Yeah.
Stop it by the mouth.
Yeah.
If you talk about Jamaics, them way there. So you have to understand now. You know DJ talk about Starkey, Danny,
Yeah.
Hag.
Yeah.
None of us. The DJ about us, DJ Trimble.
Yeah.
And our activity was, for example, Trevor Rankin, them Hugh Brown, them DJ Dillinger, them DJ use subliminal message to talk about us.
Yeah.
See? But they wouldn't call nobody name.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
You know, hear one sheet of glean have to go burn down Rima.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, yeah.
One sheet of glean have to go burn down Rima. See?
Yeah.
But him not tell you who I do it.
Yeah.
See the difference?
Yeah.
Today the DJ will come and tell you.
Yeah.
Say, him will go down a Rima.
Yeah.
Yeah? And he will hold you, and he will cut out your tongue, and he will do all of this thing to you, and he will hold your mother, and he will fuck your mother, and he will do this to your mother.
Yeah, and he might make it public.
Yeah. You see? So, these are the control you got out of the thing. And then you wonder, how you end up in prison?
Yeah.
But nothing fun for you.
Yeah.
You tell by yourself already.
Yeah. Because I want to get it to the point where the whole of them things they stop where, because money can't make. Only for money out there. In fact, right now, I print money. One time, money did need a certain amount of gold in the bank for print. Then no bother with that again.
Money just a make.
Money just a make, no. All this furlough business where you say, oh, I know by us. I just print money. And say, we will deal with that later. So, the skill, when we look for a man like you, and other man like you, and me see the brain power on have. And me as soon as worthless, I'm not telling a lie.
Worthless?
Yes. Because the greatness what I see now, one not live to the potential, one can live to. You understand? Because remember, I me know you personally. I know like Cartel or somebody like that. Me know you personally. And me know, sir, you don't live nowhere near to your potential.
No, I know that.
And me I tell you that. I'm not afraid to tell you that neither. You understand? Because me see, you have a thing where enough man not have. That's why you last so long. You have a thing called guts. You know the white man, them say, he's a yellow belly.
Yeah.
Right, but you have 3 brains in your body, you know. Your brain control your mind, your heart, which give you love and compassion, and your gut, which give you courage. That's why I hear the man say, gut, you know, and you have the people that want a gut feeling. So you have a whole heap of guts. And it's like you rule with more your gut, but you still use your brain to control a certain amount of things. That's why you could avoid certain things. And then you also have a thing called luck on your side too. Because you could have been one of them in the first round.
Yeah, I
So
don't think it's luck so much.
Yeah, but no, that's what I'm saying. It's a combination of things. It's not all luck. You have some man who lucky. When I say he's a lucky man, me I say luck play a little part in it. Because some man, them just at the wrong place at the wrong time. And them things they happen. But because you have a little brain, you can see certain plot a bill and say, you know, say, I now go down there so right now, you know. And then a man will see it and still go.
Let me just show you how I relate to that thing. There is a thing called instinct.
Yes, then now me I talk about it.
And most man, every man have them instinct.
Yeah.
But sometimes man make them other mind override them instinct.
Yes.
You see me there so right now, Danavan?
Yeah.
Me have a thing called instinct.
Yeah.
And my instinct will tell me, say, yo, done this right now and make a move.
Yeah.
See that? My instinct will tell me, say, done this now and make a move.
And you're not override that.
No, I'm not override my instinct.
Because you know, say, the people them what we are dealing with, you know, them have them thing map out, as you know. Because you've been through them system and you see how them can keep you within certain constraints. No, when them go to Vietnam, you know, them start look upon a set of people like you in the army, you know, who all of the man them get shot around them, you know. Man, it lick off right side of them. And I wonder how them survive, you know. This is the level of the man them thinking, you know. Why these men always survive? Why they are always inches away from what happened? And them notice that with a certain amount of man, and them take the data and correlate the data. And I find out say the same instinct there, or intuition as some people call it. Yeah, that them just move from a spot and a man take it and right as a bullet get shot.
You said with that let me tell you something.
But this is what we're not using, Jabby.
And that's why I say it's not luck.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how it relate to that.
Yeah.
Because me in a knockings already, you know.
Yeah.
More than one time, you know. Knockings.
Yeah.
Where in knockings I come from all angle.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When I take my bed,
Yeah.
kind knockings I come from all angle.
Yeah.
I can't control.
Yeah.
And knockings, I can't control it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But me I knock it too.
Yeah.
And me I hear the knockings. Yeah. So me know me alive.
Yeah.
Because when say I hear it, you know,
Yeah.
me
Yeah.
alive.
Yeah.
Right? And when me come out of the knockings,
Yeah.
and me can say it's Jah.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
Yeah.
See? I'm just happy.
Yeah.
Now, how me come out of the knockings there? No, ask me.
Yeah.
Because it's fire all around me.
Yeah.
Knives and fire all around me, I'm come out of it.
Yeah.
You know? Sometimes I think forward from them things there, I wonder. How would it love me?
Yeah.
Why am I here today to talk about that?
Yeah.
Because of the man drop.
Yeah.
You see? So, I man is a firm believer that there is a supreme being, something where I go to tell you something. My mother carried me go on woman one time.
Let me hear you mention.
Yeah, man. Can't forget
Yeah,
this.
you say your brother did I go carry it too.
Yeah, my brother carried me to man. But, shit, something.
Yeah.
Me hear people talk, but I believe that word by now.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what now, yeah?
Yeah.
My mother carried me go woman, tell you what my mother do. Yeah? So for those of who want to interpret it whatever, I don't mean go and Obia man.
Yeah. You were taken to Obia man.
No, tell you how it go. My mother
Yeah.
wear one of my crown,
Yeah.
go and Obia man.
Yeah.
Wear my crown. Without me know.
Okay.
And the woman, Obia man, study my crown.
Okay.
And tell my mother, say, yo, bring him come fast.
Yeah.
I don't know where she had him now.
Yeah.
So my mother come, but them telling me hot like fire.
Yeah.
My mother say, Bongo want to see me. So everybody know about the famous Bongo. Up at St. Mary, I think a Geisel one of them place them there. Bongo name.
Okay.
Everybody know about him in Jamaica. So my mother carry me go there, but when me go to Bongo, I check out, because you know, I like check out things. So my mother carry me go to Bongo the Saturday evening. But when I look, I see crowd. And Bongo have the place locked. Bongo have hotel, have restaurant, have everything.
Business are flowing.
Yeah, so Bongo, if you're hungry, you have to go in a Bongo restaurant.
Yeah.
Everything around. So, here we go now. My brother in Aaron Charter have a dance night.
Yeah.
A student union,
Yeah.
which is a big superstar dance, and me a priest and I forgot to dance it.
Yeah.
So me and Bongo now, I say, yo, Me in a hurry, because Bongo for see me, you know. So, at a certain time, we go in a temple. Bongo have a little like a temple, like. So we go in a temple, no matter, right? But Bongo come in now, and Bongo, I go through him ritual. Because the ritual I forgot through. But me didn't know because time I come.
Yeah.
And I pray now, I say, yo. So I tell my mother, I say, yo. Tell the man, say me there, no? You saw me there? I tell her, I say, tell the man, say me there, no?
Yeah.
And she tell me,
You can't disturb him.
yeah. I'm going to go through ritual, right?
Yeah.
So I see me now.
Yeah.
And I say, tell the man, say me there, no?
Yeah.
And she keep telling me, shh. And I say, I know me want to see, but him want to see me. Danavan, I tell my mother, I say, I know me want to see him, and him want to see me.
Yeah.
And him send come call me. But I whisper, you know.
Yeah.
But she in my hear, because me ignorant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me ignorant. So I talk to her neatly, you know.
Yeah.
But my vex can't choose, she not do me tell her to do. Like tell her to tell him man say me there. And she give me some back talk. So me and her go back and forth with it. Now me hear Bongo say. Young man, quiet! Bongo say, young man, quiet! And the whole place get quiet. Because Bongo shout off at me, you know. So, me and Bongo say, like mother say, if it wasn't for Father Chamberlain, that the man say, no, the man like the man I call upon my grandfather, no woman, no.
Yeah, yeah.
And the man I say, if I wasn't for him,
Yeah.
he would have disciplined me.
Yeah.
Let him say, no. I say, fuck off. That's not me want to see up. I just walk out. Tell him, fuck off. I call my little brother. Because me and my mother, my little brother. I just tell him, fuck off. And because I tell myself, I never my grandfather, my discipline. You know, fuck, you know me? I'm in my badass. I just step on myself. Because I have a minivan too, you know. To carry from town, come up there, you know.
Yeah.
But all up on mine, I dance.
Yeah. That you are.
Yeah, I dance. Come and dance, miss me. So, I don't know where go down with you, no matter, but I know I walk out. But you can't go out there.
Yeah.
Simple. With my brother now, my brother come from one time. And can't go a woman, I think, in St. Catherine. Name Mother. And when the man came, go there, the woman give me a blood bath.
Blood bath?
Yeah. All the blood bath. She bathed me first in some blue, you know, blue?
Yeah,
the blue.
yeah.
The water. She put some blue in the water and some leaf, rosemary leaf and thing. And bathed me in it. And then bust off a pigeon head.
Okay.
Yeah. And chew a blood for me and all these things. And tell me not to bathe for a week. And then, you know, and then give me something for go buy a Hayat drugstore. I don't know if you know a drugstore there. Hayat drugstore. That's out West Cream Street. And they call Paradigm Colon, West Cream Street there. Where Solus Market there, on the other side of West Cream. Yeah, the Solus Market.
And if you are left parade, on the left.
Where the battery there? Where the battery there?
Yeah, battery there.
I think I saw the battery, yeah. Round the corner, yeah. So, I go there, I'm going to buy the fandangles. Because some police want to kill me, you know. So, I buy the fandangles. Where some colored candle. And tell me to write the police them name and I and all these things. Right? But I tell you what, we're good about that though. Because that is good though. When we take the bath, how me smell. How me smell. So, when we go to the jabbing house, like a parados. The man then I say, I will smell so. I mean, I tell the man, they say, now what you smell, parados. Yo, I find more I'm going on.
Yeah.
I give them some blood clot, Nick Danavan.
Yeah.
But come on now, I win my foreign money.
Yeah.
In the German house. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because when we go to the German house, all the man about talk about who smells so.
So them not focus on the gambling.
No, they must want to know who smells. I don't even know when they smell.
Yeah.
But we know that's all the man them talk about. Who smells so?
Yeah.
Because he smell it high.
Yeah, a pigeon blood.
I don't know if that's stinking smell or a good smell. I don't know kind of smell. But I know all the man them say, I will smell so.
Yeah.
Simple. And then should they give me a guard thing. Yeah?
Okay.
Something wrap up. I don't know where to wrap up. She give me a thing where I'm supposed to wear in my shoes, in my insole.
Okay.
Yeah? And I fly out and go to Nassau, you know. And sit down on the beach in Nassau. And go in my shoes, right? And take out the guard thing, right? And sit down and look across by Miami. Right? And just zip it. Zip it.
In the water.
I never get to go across.
Yeah.
Yeah? And go back to Jamaica because I'm a flap. I never get to work. I'm throw my guard. You know? So, that no means I believe in that hobby, I know. My mother came go bongo. And my big brother came go a mother. See? I take my baby mother. She got lick some iron one time for me too. But I don't know what she got. But I jail. And she came close go beat some iron.
Okay.
But then them time, you know.
It did work?
Me don't come on road.
Okay.
Yeah, man, me tell them come on road, man. If I hit work, I don't know. But me tell you what.
How that mean if some good result?
Me tell you all the result now. Because me get what me tell you. It's 21 Regent Street. It's Spangler HQ.
Okay.
A place, you see this so? If a place them called Charlie Joseph, which part country truck come to get them truck service.
Yeah, we know. It depends on the right hand side. I go out.
Yeah.
To what? Yeah.
Alright. So.
Them convert bus over there to truck
so,
in a bus.
Alright. So you know what now? One day, a truck man there with a gun. See, I'm here and go on there and jam him. I don't shoot him, I just jam him and take off him gun.
Yeah.
But when I take off him gun and come out of the place, so I come out to some police.
Yeah.
Mentor, Benji, and Big Jack. All them police know me, you know.
Yeah.
And the police don't know me. They know me and they see me.
Yeah.
Come out of the place, just jam him and take away him gun.
Yeah.
And the alarm raised and I'm gone.
Yeah.
So them go in there and them go do the investigation. And them I tell themselves, no worry man, another boy there. Me hold the boy. See? And them hold me. You understand why? Them hold me. A 5 time I walk out a gun court you know. Yeah man, when gun court just work now 5 time me walk out of it. Yeah? But the most spectacle I walk out is this crime now, because the man, the police, they see me and come hold me. Couple of weeks after them hold me. And the day when I got tell us, I just said, no, my baby mother, go beat some iron. Right? So the day when I got court, right, I think that they defend me. Then it's daily.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, I'm going to quote me and then still tell the judge, say, Your Honor, the defense now move for a no case submission.
Yeah.
Based on the fact that the complainant address is an open land.
Yeah.
Are you lock me up?
Yeah.
But the address where you get the police is a open land. I'm a liar, call for no case submission because them can't find the witness.
Yeah.
And the judge rule, case, sign or die. Hear them term there? You understand how a boy like me walk out of court? You understand? So the police them see me, I come off of the work, take with the man gun and everything, I'm a walk scot-free. That's why today you have some police now. Yeah? Take the life of their hand.
Yeah.
Because it's not to the same walk out of gun court 5 times. Yeah?
Yeah.
So some police, nowadays police say right now, when I got carried a boy that got court again, you know?
Yeah.
And just want me and shoot me and kill me. So I better go on to, you know, in a water go on.
Yeah, man, I will for that go on.
I better go on in a water go on. So you have to learn now from these things.
Yeah.
Me not go to Jamaica getting that now with nobody. Because I know these things.
Yeah.
You understand? So if I go do something now at some different level, I have to think now for do something. Me can think now, so I go do some whole time badness. You understand? And to me, it's not done. Badness not done. Because like I tell you, say, my mind still work at that level. But it depends on a different intellectual level. So when I use that, I go say, some different badness around all boy. Who am I talking to? When I really set it.
Yeah.
What kind of difference but we are talking about? How you for 10 years and have more brains than me? This is the level where some youth carry the thing. So them now look pan man like tell you see when me was 15 years old, me have some big man would I say you're age now. I'm 15.
Yeah.
When me just go sit down more time, so I run with my 15-year-old friend them. Match some works and we're done. But me are cool out now. I go sit down with my big man friend them and listen to how them talk because them a whole G, you know. And them hear them talk like them a read all this paper, the gleaner, and them a follow all a case. Them a follow a case them I say because you know them time I saw the thing go.
Yeah,
The man them a follow a case and I say, yo, I'm going to prison. Because the man them try a case, you know.
Yeah.
Them read it and try it and say the evidence strong. Yeah, I'm going to prison. Them can't get away.
Yeah.
I'm sit down and listen to them big man they try a case and pints of law. So a long time me know about pints of law. Them need to know about no pints of law.
Yeah.
Them need to nowadays just things say them commit a crime, them have enough money, and them get whole, and them for the brand lawyer. Them don't know about lawyer business. Them don't know say where the boy named Tom Savaris a brand. Next, Danny Champagne. Brand. See? They don't know nothing about law business for look and say, wait, I need a law lords. See the friend? I got to make it right now. I don't hire them boy, them boy that brand. And law lords. Man we know the thing, man we them man are nobody. I got to Jamaica right now and getting a problem. I draft a boy like Patrick Atkinson. Them man that law lords. Norma Linton. Law lords. Them man, them people them know how he things set. Judge have to talk to, judge have to take direction.
Yeah, because them senior to judge too.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah. More law than the judge.
Yes. You try for them people, the whole, them know the law more and the whole court system. So that's the knowledge we have.
But the appeal court judge them up after them level.
Okay.
Yes, so I think I will attack, you know, do you know?
Well,
Attack,
that was nice.
So I think we still have to clear up that like last part, but I think we have to do that next time.
Well, I don't know, but it's all the joy, Danavan. It's all the joy because the people them love when they talk.
So I think we hit some of the nail them on the head, but I think most of all I want to see the youth them start use them brain rather than them egotism.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And most of all, But I just star. Humble and come forward to the table.
No, man, that I got happen, man. That, you know where
Yeah.
that I got happen.
And the Warieka respect Jude and you get up.
Yeah.
And I see it so.
Because it's a mission, you know, to save the black race, you know. You see, man I come from way back, you know, from the whole of the start, you know. Or this section of it start, where them call it transatlantic slave trade. Yeah, man, in the struggle from them time they come out. And the job can shape you too, you know, because a youth like you, probably if you did go a KSC or JSC, would I be probably a top lawyer or earn the same money while you take it from people.
Yeah.
And nobody can trouble for it. You understand what I'm saying? But true to the way one get brought up and the amount of skill. Because I remember say, when we are growing up, we are make with skate, we are use polish can and make car and we
yeah.
man make truck out of polish pan and them kind of thing there. You know, when you look on it, it's a Leland truck you look on it.
Yep.
And we are drive with car with polish can steering wheel and polish can wheel them. So it's like we never really, the youth have a different thing and we have to understand that for them thing a phone and Game Boy, what do them call it?
You see, one of the problems with the youth them nowadays, yeah? And that's a for them problem, because we don't have a problem with them, you know.
No.
And them have problem with we.
And with themselves too.
Yeah. Because,
with themselves
first of all,
are the biggest problem them
first of all, a youth, we hear me and you talk now, and I would say, some old time talk.
And idiot talk.
And dismiss it, another time for even listen.
Yeah.
So he don't get to learn nothing, because if we put this all this in our book,
I know, sir.
he won't read the book.
No.
I know it depends visual, and it's not the time, because he don't grab him attention.
No. And the only time I get a chance, and it might add, is when I'm there in a jail cell and get time to reflect.
Yeah.
Which, that way I try to save him from.
The jail cell.
Yeah. Or the graveyard.
Because he want to. Some youth hear me attack, say me done 9 years in a solitary. Like them things are a joke thing.
No, they wouldn't understand.
Hey, me tell you what the Danavan. Me in a cell, a man lock beside me and go mental, you know.
Yeah.
My brethren go mental and I can't even help him, you know. What me go with, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, man, you know,
So you have to have a mindset.
Yeah.
You have to have a solid mind.
Yeah, you can't afford to be lonely when you're alone.
Yeah.
Because anyhow you start feel lonely when you're alone.
Yeah.
You don't. Mad people think.
In my cell, I get so busy sometimes.
Yeah.
That I don't even have time to eat.
Yeah.
And I'm alone in there, you know.
Yeah.
And I make myself so busy.
Yeah.
That food come. And food I get cold.
I don't remember it.
Yeah. So you have to have the mindset. You know, so.
So Jaboni, we're going to let it and wrap it up, yeah. So
you will give thanks to that again.
So salutation, you
Bless.
know, to the divine in I and the divine in the eye.
Yeah.
Yes, and to all the peoples who eyes bless the outcome. I check say you are going to put it up in our parts and them kind of thing. We are going to put it up in our parts. And that them listen to what I say, because I think them can get something out of it and them can use it to help steer them away from, you know, because I think we're supposed to can learn from each other experience and do better for ourselves and for our children and our children's children. You know?
Well, for that,
last word to you. Yeah.
well, for that, we give thanks, you know. We give thanks that we can sit down and share we experience for the next brethren and share to the world, you know. And whosoever get the opportunity to really take the time to listen to what we have to share, learn from it. You know, because it's all about that, learning from someone else's experience. And the next thing is that I find that we have a problem. It's like we don't rate and respect we. Because when they sit down and say, well, a white man, so that be a different thing, you know, where a white man asks some, just the fact that you ask me, you know, some slave authority talk. People are like, what? See? But for you to talk like me and me to talk like you. You know? But someday them wake up.
Yeah.
You know, and realize that foundation attack a foundation.
Yeah.
You know? So we give thanks again. You Danavan?
Rastafari.
Let's. So